How to post reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can post reels to your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to post reels to your Instagram account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in. So maybe when you come to the reels tab, you see many people posting their own reel, and then you would also like to post your own reel as well. For that, just tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen, and then here you can see different sort of options from the bottom, which is post, story and reel. So the third option you'll find here is called reel. Select a certain photo or video that you would like to make a reel of, and once done you can add some music and so on. Tap the next option. You can tag people, you can add and invite collaborators and add descriptions and so on in order to add those reels. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically actually post reels to Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.